What if you could make money doing something you love from anywhere that you had an internet connection? Sound too good to be true? It's not. We want to show you how with this easy-to-follow beginner's guide to making money online. Now, you may be thinking, I don't have any programming or coding skills. This can't be for me. Not true. Whether you're brand new to internet marketing or a seasoned veteran, this step-by-step blueprint will show you how to make money online using only your internet connection. Trying to learn the ins and outs of internet marketing on your own is like trying to put together a 10,000-piece puzzle with no picture. It's virtually impossible. It's more than probable that you'll just get frustrated and quit. But what if we told you we've already done the puzzle for you, and we want to give you the last couple pieces? So if you're ready to join thousands of others who are already making money online, and have access to an experienced coach to guide you every step of the way, click one of the links that are showing on screen now and take the first step towards skyrocketing your internet marketing journey.